Hello everyone, hope all of you are doing great. And we all have heard, right, that coach is a mirror which will actually show the coachee what are the challenges he or she is facing. So what kind of a mirror is a coach? Is it a simple mirror like the one which you see behind me? Or are these those special mirrors about which we learnt in high school, convex mirror and concave mirrors? Well, it's getting interesting, right? So do wait for me to reveal what kind of mirror a coach is all about. Welcome back. Yes, so I was talking about the different types of mirrors which are there, and coach being a mirror to the coachee. We all know what a simple mirror does, right? A simple mirror will exactly show a replica what is in front of it. So as a coach, many times we have to play the stance of a simple mirror. But there are special situations which demand using those special mirrors which are there, a concave mirror and a convex mirror. And we all have studied about it, as I said, in our high school physics. Anyways, I'm not going into the details of that. That's more of a mathematical and more of an analytical thinking what we need to do. But I'm going to take very simple examples of a concave and a convex mirror, and I'll try to contextualize it into our coaching journey. So what is a concave mirror? A concave mirror, as we all know, is an inward facing mirror which is there. So objects which are in front of a concave mirror, they appear to be magnified. They appear to be of a larger size. And the typical applications of these mirrors, you find it, dentists use this mirror a lot, especially when they're doing a root canal or any other surgery. We also find these mirrors used for shaving or for when we are getting ready to actually magnify a particular part of our body or to see ourselves in a magnified view. So these are the concave mirrors which are there. So in our coaching journey, where can I use a concave mirror? If I want to highlight a problem, if I want to magnify a problem and see it in detail, that what is that underlying root cause which is causing this problem to occur? What is that main reason why this problem is bubbling up again and again? As a coach, I might have to change my stance as a concave mirror. Rather than being a plain simple mirror, it's better I change my stance to a concave mirror. I get to the root cause of a problem, and basically it helps the coachee to uncover some underlying problems which are there. Interesting, right? And other type of mirror we have is a convex mirror. As we all know, a convex mirror is an outward facing mirror. This kind of a mirror you will find in your cars. If you're in a driver's seat, the mirror what you have is a convex mirror, or this kind of a mirror you will find at an intersection point, especially when there's a crossroad which is there, just to alert the motorists of any impeding vehicle and avoid any collision. So as a coach, when I change my stance to a convex mirror, what help does it offer to the coachee? Many times we see in our engagements that the coachee is actually struggling to figure out where exactly is the problem. Is my problem with my team, or is the problem with the larger ecosystem which is at play here? Which is where, as a coach, if I change my shape into a convex mirror, it will give a better visibility to my coachee. It will help my coachee uncover some problem areas which probably were not visible when the stance which a coach took was that of a simple mirror which is there. So I hope this interesting example of using mirrors, a plane mirror, a concave mirror and a convex mirror, helped you understand that as a coach, when we mold ourselves into these styles, how it is in the longer run going to help our coachees. All these stances which I talked about are going to help our coachees to formulate their approach towards problem solving. This is Ashutosh Bhatodekar signing off for the moment. Do like, share and subscribe to this video, and I would request all of you to also subscribe to my YouTube channel. Bye for now.